Hi there, welcome to my channel. Today we are doing my August planner spread for the month. Here I am using some random pictures I found and some colored paper that I'm going to use for the background. Here I'm just gluing down the paper so I can start my spread. Here is the completed spread that I'm starting with. This is my base. And here I am, I'm just putting bits of paper on to create a surface effect. Here I'm just creating a transparent surface effect for the page, and just to put it on all the edges just to make it more smooth. And this is just to create some surface effect as well. This August looks like it's going to be a really busy month, so I'm probably going to maybe do some extra weekly pages. I'm not sure yet because I need to just make sure that I have enough information for what I need to do for the month. Here I'm just starting my base color, just kind of using a light blue color, and I really liked the actual pictures that I put on because I wanted to try and recreate colors that would just complement the actual pictures. Here I finished the actual first color and I'm going to go on the second color. The second color is the yellow. I did notice that it created a few green patches, and I had to actually put a bit more blue on later on. But otherwise, it was a really nice surface effect, and it really came out really well. Here I am just creating a little bit more extra texture with the paint, just to take away any square edges and just to give it a more rounded feel. This project is basically almost finished. Here I'm starting to finish it off. I just wanted to take some of the yellow off because it was kind of domineering. I also had a strange green color from the first paper. I just wanted it to peek through a little bit. So basically here I'm just rubbing off some of the excess yellow so that I can just create a little bit more dynamic surface and texture for this page. This page was really good. I was quite pleased with it. It looks really great with white pen, and I'm probably going to do a number of photocopies with this page. Here's the finished page. I then photocopied it, and this is what it looked like. I really enjoyed the page. It looks really great, and I'm quite pleased with it. Here I am doing my monthly. This was really easy. You just had to mark it. I used a black pen here. I didn't use a white pen, but I used a white pen for writing on because the white pen seemed to show a lot more better. I have just got to decide the weekly pages because I just need to see the weekly pages or what I'm going to do. Maybe I should just make some plain pages because this is quite colorful, and maybe the plain pages will look better. Here I am using a white pen for the dates. It looked much better with the white pen than the black pen. It was a little bit darker, so the white pen looked much better. Here is my final page. I forgot to put the days in, but I did put the days in a bit later. Here I'm cutting it, and here I'm notching it, and it's ready to go into the planner. Here I'm reinforcing with tabs, and here it's going into the planner, and this is the completed page. This is the overall page. I'm quite pleased how it looks. I'm really going to look forward to planning my calendar month. I want to say thank you for watching. Please subscribe and leave a comment, and I'll be looking at the next project soon. And I will see you then.